I'm going to share with you a way to remember what parallel means. So it's a technique that I learned. And what you want to do is basically you break the word down into some type of a story. So what do I mean? If I break the word down, I could say that I have a pair of L's in the word parallel, because pair means two, and I have here one pair. So I have a pair of L's in the word parallel, and these L's are actually parallel to each other. So what I can do is imagine lines passing through the L's in parallel. It will look something like this. So I can see that these lines are parallel to each other, and parallel means they will not cross each other. It doesn't matter how long I draw these lines for, even if I drew them forever, they will never cross paths because they're parallel to each other. In a picture, if I wanted to know that the lines are parallel, I would use triangles like I have here, the solid triangles, or I would use the little arrows. And what this is letting me know is that these lines are parallel to each other. So without actually using words, we use these symbols on lines to say that they're parallel, which means that they will not cross paths. So that's how you do it in a picture. Without a picture, that means we're talking about a sentence. So if I was reading a sentence, or it was just information given to me, it will look something like this. And the way that I would read this is M is parallel to N. And what's interesting is that the symbol for parallel is in the word parallel right here. So the double L in parallel is a symbol for parallel. So when you're writing sentences, you'd use a double L. And M and N would be basically the names of the lines. So for instance, if I was talking about these two lines, if this was line M and this is line N, well, this lets me know that these two lines are parallel, even though they didn't have the symbols on it. But if they were telling me this information, then I know I could go in and draw the symbols if I wanted to say that they are parallel to each other. And that's all you need to know for parallel lines.